Really short video because I just want to tell you how important it is for you to click on the link that I've posted on Schoology that will help you with an activity that we're going to do tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to do our first grammar review, and there are always over things that are very basic that I think that you should know. For instance, I've already noticed based on writing that you've put on your music videos and in your summer reading assignments that many of you had no idea that the pronoun I is always capitalized. A lot of you have no idea when to use good versus well, me versus I, where to put in some commas, when to put in periods, when to use apostrophes, especially I see a lot of missing apostrophes, and different things like that. Or like a lot is two separate words, not one word. So we're going to work on these little simple grammar rules. And tomorrow we're going to start with when to use me, when to use myself, and when to use I. Basically, I is a subject, me is an object, and you use myself as a reflexive pronoun. And you can only use the word myself with the pronoun I. And if you take out the word myself, usually the sentence will still make sense. So I want you to watch the short video clip. There's a link on Schoology that's called Me, Myself, and I. And that will get you ready for a graded assignment that you're going to do tomorrow. Have a good evening.